Poverty. Poverty is not created by the poor people. It has been created by the economic and social system that we have developed, that we have designed for ourselves. Dear ladies and gentlemen, do you know who said these epic words? Yeah, this is only one and Nobel laureate from Bangladesh, Professor Dr. Muhammad Yunus. Anyway, this is Fazil Islam Suhail in front of you. Today, I'm very glad to hear, and as well as I'm very thankful to our mentors, respected teachers, skilled judges for giving me this opportunity. Dear listener, you may guess in which topic today I'm gonna explore. Yeah, this is the most powerful and visionary concept, social business. We are very familiar with this word, but we don't know what is this, how does it work. This groundbreaking ideas was introduced and popularized by Professor Dr. Muhammad Yunus. According to him, a social business is a non-loss, non-divine company dedicated to solving human problems. That means it runs look like real business. It earns revenue, cover cost, but does not provide profit for investor. Instead, profits are reinvested for growing the business and serve the more people. Actually, social business is not designed for making personal profit. It focuses on creating positive impact in society and underprivileged community, like reducing poverty, providing healthcare, providing education, like this. Now you can ask me why we will create social business. Why not charity organization? Yeah, this question is very important. But there is something different between charity organization and social business. We know in Bangladesh there are a great number of charity organizations who donates $1 billion per year. But I think this is not a sustainable and ultimate solution for not only the poor people but also the charity organization. As we know, the charity organization runs by the donation of rich people, but a social business can run by itself. Even a charity dollar has only one life, but a social business dollar can invest it over and over again. In short, a social business offers a people dignity, not charity, because it believes that the poor are not helpless. They are entrepreneurs. They are just waiting for opportunity. So dear ladies and gentlemen, be a social businessman and do something for your society. Thank you very much. Thank you.